All right, let's talk about something that just completely breaks the mold. We've got a new concept vehicle from Mercedes-Benz, and honestly, it's a total paradox. Think, untamed rugged beast meets super plush luxury lounge. It's wild.
So yeah, that brings us to the big question, right? The one this whole project is built around. What actually happens when you take an absolute icon of pure, hardcore utility and you dress it up in a 5-star tailored suit? I mean, can you even do that without it losing its soul? That's the puzzle Mercedes is trying to crack here.
Okay, so before we even get to that tailored suit, we have to talk about the Workhorse itself. Because, let's be real, in the world of off-road vehicles, there is no bigger, badder legend than the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Period.
I mean, think about it. For 80 years, this has been the machine you call when the road just ends, when the terrain looks impossible, when you absolutely cannot afford to fail. It's not really a truck, it's a tool. An instrument of pure, unadulterated capability, built for one single purpose, to go where everything else turns back.
And look, its reputation? That's not just some slick marketing. No way. It's literally forged in steel. We're talking about some seriously hardcore engineering. You've got portal axles for insane ground clearance, a frame that's designed to twist and flex over obstacles like it's nothing, and a locking differential system that makes sure every ounce of power hits the ground. This stuff is its core DNA.
All right, now for the big surprise, the twist in the story. To celebrate 80 years of this absolute legend, Mercedes-Benz got together with a company called Hellgeth Engineering, and they did something, well, something nobody saw coming. They created this, the Velvet Workhorse.
And that name, Velvet Workhorse, just says it all, doesn't it? It is a deliberate, beautiful paradox. They are trying to fuse the Unimog's unstoppable, go-anywhere power with the kind of high-end luxury and design you'd expect to see with a valet out front of a 5-star hotel, not halfway up a mountain. And don't think for a second this is just some fun side project. Nope. The CEO of Mercedes-Benz Special Trucks herself calls it a statement of innovation and passion. What that really tells us is that the brand sees a genuine future here. They're tapping into this growing market for what you might call luxury utility, you know? For buyers who want a vehicle that can do literally everything and look incredible doing it. Okay, so with all this talk of luxury, you've got to be asking, has the Unimog gone soft? Did they forget what this thing is all about? Well, let's get under the hood and see. The short answer? Absolutely not.
In fact, you could argue it's even more capable now. They've ripped out the old 4-cylinder engine and dropped in a brand new 6-cylinder that's pushing out 300 horsepower. Mercedes says this gives it even better tractive power. So yeah, more velvet, but somehow also more muscle.
And this right here, this is probably the most important part for the purists out there. This whole concept is built on the super capable U4023 model. All that core hardware we talked about, the legendary portal axles, that flexible frame, the full differential lock system, it's all still there. The beast is very, very much alive and well underneath all that luxury.
So, okay, the foundation is as solid as a rock. Now, let's get to the really jarring part, the big contrast. Let's step inside the cabin and see where that velvet in the name really, really comes from. And this is where your brain just kind of short circuits for a second. Inside this legendary mud-plugging workhorse, you find a double cab with room for 4 people, all of it trimmed in beautiful high-quality leather with contrast stitching. There's LED ambient lighting. There are even, wait for it, leather floor mats in a Unimog. It's wild.
And what's so cool about this is seeing the transformation laid out side by side. I mean, look at this. The traditional hard, hose-it-down plastic interior, gone. Replaced with soft, supple leather. Those normal glass mirrors? Nope, they're gone too. Swapped for a high-tech camera system. And that basic utilitarian paint job and steel wheels? Forget about it. Now it's a sleek, matte gray finish with these massive 20-inch aluminum beadlock wheels. The Workhorse has officially put on its tuxedo. Alright, so this thing looks absolutely incredible. But it does make you wonder, right? Is this just a really, really pretty show pony? Is it just a marketing stunt to get headlines? Or is there a real purpose behind all this?
And that's a totally fair question. I mean, seriously, what's the point of leather floor mats if they're just going to get caked in mud? Well, it turns out Mercedes-Benz has a plan to answer that very question. See, this thing isn't just going to sit on a rotating platform at an auto show. The plan is to actually hand it over to a real customer to use in a real-world work situation.
They're going to collect a ton of data on how it performs, how it holds up, and use all that info to decide if a production version even makes sense. In other words, this Velvet Workhorse still has to go out there and earn its keep. And honestly, this quote from the source material just sums up the whole crazy idea perfectly. The valet appreciates the leather floor mats, while the outdoorsman values the portal axles. It is a vehicle built for two completely different people, living in two completely different worlds at the exact same time. It has to make the luxury buyer happy and the hardcore off-roader happy. It's a machine of pure, beautiful duality. Which, of course, brings us to the final and maybe the most interesting question of all. Mercedes is keeping the price under lock and key, but you just know it's going to be astronomical. So, who is this perfect paradox actually for? A billionaire adventurer, an oil sheik in the desert? A collector who just has to own the ultimate version of everything? You know, that right there, that might be the biggest paradox of them all.